Keep your cargo protected while you're on the go with an Access tonneau cover. In today's video, we'll take you through the ins and outs of their LOMAX series bed cover, as well as installing one on our project Jeep Gladiator. A bed cover features many great benefits, including protecting your bed and cargo from the elements, keeping your cargo secure, and help prevent theft. But if you're getting a bed cover, why not maximize the utility and appeal of the truck? Do just that with the Access LOMAX Tri-Fold Tonneau cover. This hard cover is also lightweight, sitting a ½ inch above the truck bed to provide a clean, sleek look. They are also built for support, which includes extruded aluminum channels, keeping the bed cover rigid, secure, and strong enough to hold up to 400 pounds. It's worth taking the extra time to make sure the side rails are adjusted correctly. You want them level and against the top of the bed rail. It is a simple installation that requires only one person, but it doesn't hurt to have an extra set of hands. Make sure when the bed cover is installed that all latches, locks, and safety straps are in place before driving away. LOMAX Tri-Fold tonneau covers provide the ultimate protection with its weathertight seal to prevent the elements from entering your truck bed, as well as waterproofing to route water away without gutters or drains. To prevent theft, each cover features a 10-point automatic locking system with heavy-duty reinforced nylon components. To open and close, use the built-in handle, pull cord, and integrated storage clips. Each bed cover is available in multiple finishes, including black matte, black urethane, black diamond mist, carbon fiber, and diamond plate. Designed for strength, style, and ease of use, the Access LOMAX Tri-Fold tonneau cover is a no-brainer for anyone looking to protect their bed and cargo. To find out more and get one for your truck, check out xdp.com or contact your local dealer.